Hi everyone, we are here at the Cartoon Network and we came to stay for the weekend and to bring you guys the latest information and the latest update of the Cartoon Network. Let's go see our room. And this is our We Bears rooms. It has 2 queen beds and look at the details. You can see Grits, Panda, and Ice Bear. Isn't that adorable? We have this nightstand with a clock and a phone. This is so adorable. Look at the details at the wall. Look at the curtains, they are so cute. We have a dresser, TV, ice bucket, cups. We have a coffee maker with coffee, a little lamp, and a We Bears little art decor. We have a refrigerator. We have the countertop, light up mirror. We have towels. We have extra blankets, hair dryer, laundry bags, hangers. And this is the bathroom. We have towels, we have shampoo, we have shower gel and conditioner. Very nice. So this is the outside playground area and the pool ground area. The pool is closed because it's cold, of course. There has been no changes to the pool as we are waiting for them to put up the new decorations. But don't get discouraged because they also have an indoor pool. So when the season is cold, you could use the indoor pool, which has 2 whirlpools and 1 pool. And there's the Powerpuff Girls splash pad, which is not working because of the weather, of course. And if you see right here, they remove all the fire pits and chairs that they had situated all around here just because of the cold situation. I guess when springs arrive, they will put them back. And they also removed the chairs that they had situated right here and the big screen movie theater that they also provide for each night to see cartoon. But if you want to see cartoon, they have specific nights that they take you inside the cartoon kitchen to watch the movies. So I'm gonna take you to the indoor pool so you guys could see what it looks like, and you need your room key to go in. And this is the indoor pool rules. You could read through them. If you're liking this video so far, smash that subscribe button and become part of our adventures. And what I like about this is as soon as you come into the indoor pool, you have the girls' bathroom to the right, the boys' bathroom to the left. Let's go in. And this is what it looks like. And I like this because if it's cold outside and you just want to come with your regular clothes, you could just come in this bathroom and you could just change yourself in here. And after you have fun at the pool, you could just change back into your clothes in this bathroom and go ahead to your room. Very nice, very thoughtful. And there it is. The indoor pool, look how nice, very warm in here and very clean. So they have 2 whirlpools, look how nice. And this is the pool right here. Very nice atmosphere inside here. They provide you with towels, if you see. And inside here in the indoor pool, I like that they have this phone right here. In case of an emergency, you could dial 911, or for front desk, you dial 0. And this is where you dispose of your dirty towels, right here in these bins.
Go first.
And this is the hot tub safety rules, guys. Shower with soap and water before you come in. Everybody should be doing this. And this is the rest of the rules. You could read through them. This is also the kitty little pool for the kids, just in case when it's cold outside, they cannot use the pool outside. They could use this whirlpool right here. Look at the chairs situated around. This is actually very cute. Very nice. They also have this ping pong table to play indoors. And they have vending machines just in case you want a refreshment. Cool. And they also have this lifter right here. I also like that the worker inside the indoor pool keeps the window open so the air inside here could circulate. And you don't get much of the chlorine inside here, even though the chlorine is not that strong. They have hand sanitizer in every corner of the hotel. Here at the lobby, they already situated the 2 chairs that needed to be situated here to make the lobby look beautiful. I would say here was great. We had a fun time here. Like always, we do recommend this hotel to bring your children, your families, your friends. And even though it's still cold here, the outdoor pool is closed, but they have an indoor pool which you guys could enjoy. The night here, depending on season, it goes from $110 up to $300. Remember, it depends the season. And another fun fact is that during the week, it could be also more cheaper than the weekend. So just have that in mind. So when you do want to stay here, just call, and look online when they have those specials. You also get free parking for each night of your stay. This room is a little different from the other ones that we have stayed in. We have stayed at the Venture Time, we have stayed at the Ben 10, we have stayed at the Darwin and Friends. And the only difference that I see here is that it doesn't have a table with the 2 chairs they usually have. Don't know why, but it's okay. The room is still so adorable. We had everything we needed here in the room. Our room was very clean. The bed is very comfortable. They don't provide iron or iron board. And the bathroom here is very different from the other ones that we have stayed at because it has glass doors, and the one that we have stayed at before has shower curtains. So if you haven't seen that video yet, go to my library at the channel and look for our other Cartoon Network videos. Other than that, we have great hot water pressure, which is awesome because it's cold out here. The staff, as always, was very attentive and very helpful with us. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Thank you for watching.